In life, it's easy to look at what others have, a bigger house, a faster car, a better job, and forget the light we already carry within us. Today's story from the story town is about Gopal, a young boatman who kept wishing for other people's boats until one evening, his wise mentor, Madhav Kaka, gave him a lesson he would never forget. Listen carefully, because this simple riverside tale might just teach you how to protect your own light in life. And if you can, try to mimic me. It will help you improve your English speaking along with listening. Let's begin. In a small riverside village, there lived an old boatman called Madhav Kaka. Everyone knew him. He had a white mustache, a slow walk, and a calm smile. With him worked a young helper, Gopal. Gopal was strong and quick, but he had one bad habit. He kept looking at other people's boats. If a boat had bright paint, Gopal wanted the same paint. If a boat had a big, shiny lantern, he thought about that lantern all day. One morning, while tying the rope to the shore, Gopal said, "Kaka, look at Hariram's boat. It is so big and strong. Our boat is so small." Madhav Kaka smiled. "Big boat or small boat, it's the hands that row it that matter." But Gopal did not understand. The next day, he said again, "Kaka, Mohan's boat has soft cushions. Our boat only has hard wooden seats." This time, Kaka said nothing. He only thought, "I must teach this boy something important." That evening, the sun was setting. The river looked golden and the air was cool. Madhav Kaka called, "Gopal, come here. I have a small job for you." "What job, Kaka? Carrying bags again?" Gopal asked. Kaka came out with a small oil lamp in his hands. The tiny flame danced in the breeze. "Take this lamp," Kaka said. "Place it on this wooden plate and put it in the river. Row along with it and make sure the flame does not go out." Gopal looked confused. "Kaka, in water, it will sink." "It will not sink if you place it well," Kaka replied with a smile. Gopal put the lamp on the wooden plate and placed it gently in the water. The lamp began to float, moving with the small waves. Sometimes it went close to other boats. Sometimes it drifted towards the bank. From the shore, someone shouted, "Gopal, see our new lantern." Gopal turned his head, but the lamp shook. The flame became small. He quickly looked back and fixed the boat's direction. A little later, children laughed and played on the bank. Gopal wanted to watch, but a sudden wave hit the plate. The flame almost died. From then, Gopal kept his eyes on the lamp until it reached the other side of the river. When Gopal returned, Madhav Kaka asked, "So, how was it?" Gopal said, "Not easy. 2 times the flame almost went out. If I looked away, it would have died." Madhav Kaka nodded. "This lamp is your life, Gopal. The flame is your dream, your hard work, your skill. If you keep looking at other people's boats and lanterns, you will lose your own light." That night, Gopal understood the meaning. From the next day, he worked without thinking about other boats. When he saw a shiny lantern, he smiled and thought, "One day I will have one too, but from my own hard work." In time, his boat became the cleanest, strongest, and fastest in the village. People said, "Sit in Gopal's boat once and you will not want any other." And Gopal always remembered, the one who protects his light will never lose his way.